Hello, good morning. I hope you all can see my screen. And if you have any issues, any question from last session, please let me know. Last session we discussed about very basic syntax, very basic commands of SQL Server, how to create database, how to create a schema, what is the basic concept of schema. Then we discussed about table structures, how to create tables, why we need tables. Okay, what is syntax to create a table inside a schema by default schema and how to create inside a particular schema. Then we discussed about how to insert data, how to insert data with values clause, how to insert data with select clause. Okay. Then we discussed about how to insert, update, delete queries. Okay. Then we discussed about how to copy data from one table to another table by using into clause. Also, without using into clause, also we can copy data from one table to another table if both tables are exist there. Then we discussed about delete command and truncate command to remove table record from table. Okay. Then we discussed about what is the difference between a truncate and delete. After that, we discussed about how to change the structure of table by adding a new column, by removing existing columns. Okay. Only one thing that we cannot do in a table is we cannot change the order of columns here. Suppose you want to change the order of columns here, like you want to make DEP name as a second column, DEP location as a first column, that we can do it. That is something a limitation of this SQL Server. You cannot change actually the sequence of tables columns once you create a like table there. Okay, once you declare table, then what we discuss is how to add new column, how to drop column from there, how to remove particular table from database, how to update particular records here by using update commands. Okay, here we discussed about how to add a column with the default values, without default values, and today we will discuss about how to display data from a table. So there is a command called as select command or select query. We can see we will use this query today to display data from tables in particular fashion by using different clauses. Okay, so what we have currently to discuss, simple select query, we can definitely use like this. Okay, I will show you syntax here. Syntax to display data from table. Okay, then for that we will use a select query. So first of all, the keyword is select. Then you have to write a column names. Okay, and then there will be from clause and then schema name dot table name. Then you have to mention where clause also. If you want to filter data, if you don't want to show all records, you want to show first few particular record on particular condition, then you can write here condition. Okay. Okay. After that, if you want to data, you want to show the data to be sorted order, then you can use here order by clause so that output will be sorted on some particular column like employee ID, employee name, like any field from table, any column from table can be used inside order by clause so that your data output will be sorted. Okay. And at the end, you can also have a top clause. If you don't want to show all data there, you want just some number you want to mention here, any number. Okay. Like this, you can mention and you can use the order by clause here. So what we will do, we will start from simple sentence like if you don't want to mention the column names, that also okay. You can write a select star from table name. That also possible. I should have written this like after top only. This same again, it's applicable here. You can write top here. Any number you can write. Okay. Okay, I will show you a few examples to understand more precisely. So we will take example of employee table. So I will write some one sentence first by using a employee table. So dbo dot select star from dbo dot employee, and we'll see how many records it will show. It is showing me 5 records. Okay, I can add few more records there. Okay, because we want more record for sorting to show top order. Okay, we have several few more things here like group by, average function, or any aggregate functions we can use there. So what I will do, I will add some more data over there. Okay. So what we will do, we will add here employee table, employee ID, 106, Ramesh, and then okay, employee name, date of birth. Okay, something is missing here. I think we have not prepared properly. Okay, we are using different database here. We should have used this one. Okay, this one we can use here. We will see if we can find data. Yes, it is showing 6 records. No issues. We will provide few more things. If I use this August one, we'll see how many records are there. Okay, these are the 6 records. Okay, here we will use like this only. So employee ID 7. Okay, we'll do some change here, and department is like 9001. Can also mention 902 here. I can mention few more records in one single statement. That's also possible. Yes. It's valid syntax. We can use single insert statement to add multiple records. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Why we need more records? Because I want to show multiple statements, multiple clauses, and how they impact on your order of execution. Okay, that I wanted to show you. So I'm adding more records here. And okay, all these data records are there. So I will some time to. Yeah, all these things are ready now. 902, 903. Also, I will add somewhere. Then 904, then 900, 901 or 2 one more time. Yeah, we need few more data also. A few more columns also here. You can see one is employee ID, employee name, date of birth, department ID. We need a few more columns like graduate qualification, address, all this. We will see how it happens. I'll insert few more data and we will see if we can see data here or not. Okay, for this, we will add the default constant here. Qualification, we can update here as it is. And we can see now we have different 13 records in our table and we will see we'll use all different clauses. Okay, so this is the first simple statement. So the statement, select all columns, all records from table to display data. For this, it's very simple. You just have to write select star. Star represents all columns from dbo.employee. Okay, it's very simple. If you want to display all the columns and all records, you don't have to go for filtration. So we don't need where clause. Basically, we'll use now another clause here as a use where clause. Okay. Why to use this? If you want to display only records from, okay, Pune location. Okay, employee records only from Pune location. So how we can do this? We can use a where clause. Everything will be as it is. I will just add one more clause here. I will add here where location or EMP address equal to Pune. Okay, so I will execute and show you. You can see all this data is only showing for Pune location. Any other data is not displayed here. Okay, that's how we can use a where clause. Okay, you can use like this display. Okay, we can see all records, all columns, and all records. Okay, sorted by date of birth. So date of birth descending. Descending means highest number first, lowest number at the last. So what we can do? We can write very similar thing here. If you don't want to display all data, then you can go for Pune location also. Okay. Okay, display employee records only from Pune location and query should display data sorted by date of birth descending order. Okay. Question will be write like this. Write SQL query to display data like this. Okay. This should be inter question. How you will write the query? you have to just write as it is query here, and can add one more thing here, order by column name, date of birth, and since you know you do not want to sort as ascending order, by default order is ascending. You can see 1988 is coming first, 1996 coming at the end. If you want descending order, then you would write here DESC. Then you can write full name also like this, descending. But if you don't want, you can write DESC here, and you will see data sorted by date of birth. Date of birth descending order means highest number and 96 coming first, and lowest number 1988 coming at the end. You'll get the end. Okay, that's called as a descending order. Any question up to this point? We studied today how to filter data with using where clause and how to sort data by using a order by clause. You can use a sorting ascending order, descending order like this. Even you can write like anything. Okay. You can write all data, all columns, or you can write like this, not all columns. So it's a quick query to display employee records with name, ID, and address. Means if you want to show only all these columns here and you want to sort data by employee ID descending, that's also possible. Okay, you can see it is not showing data for other location, it is showing only for Pune location. So what I will do, I will that query as it is here, but instead of star, what I will do, I will write a query like employee name first. Instead of star, we want to write EMP name, then EMP ID, then EMP name, name and address here. And you want to sort data by EMP ID. Okay, like this. The rest of thing filters in as it is because it's showing only for a Pune location data. You can see data is sorted here by employee ID. You can see we can display data in any column order like this. I can show employee ID first, or I can see show employee name first, then employee ID. I can write these columns at any order, and same order will be displayed at the end at the result. Okay. Okay. I sorted data by using employee ID descending, so highest employee ID will be coming at the first, and lowest employee ID will be at the end. Okay. This is called as a employee table sorted order. Okay. Order by clause we have used it here, so sort data. Any question here? Okay. Okay. We can use equal to operator, in operator, or like this also. In where class we can use display employee data only for department 900 902 and 904, something like this. How can you write like this? Okay, so you will write everything. Now we have to mention where clause. Okay, question will be like this. Where clause is showing to filter it on the base of department. So I will write here DEP. Now we know different department IDs here. So I will write here in clause. In clause will be, we can give distinct numbers here, distinct values here. So I will write here 900 902 and 904. You can see data will be displayed for all these numbers. What happened? No, 0902 904 like this. Okay, you can see here 900 exists, 9002 exists, 904 also exists. Okay, that's how you can use the in operator. Okay, one more thing here. Write SQL query to display all the employee data only for employee IDs from 10 to 15, something like this. Okay, is it possible 10 to 15? Yes, we can do. First of all, I will see if there is 15 records or not. Yes, there are 13 records. I can add a few more. Okay, here I will write a 14 and I will write here 15. Okay, 0 and 0 here. The rest of things I will keep as it is. Now we have two more records available. And what we will do, we can write here syntax like this. Instead of we need only for few department employee IDs 10 to 15. So what I will do, I will write here query select star from employees. Okay, I will use a between operator now because I know the boundaries. So I will write where empid between, okay, 10 and 15. So what will happen now? Employee IDs starting from 10 up to 15 will be displayed. You can see 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So intro question will be here like this. Okay, there will be intro question over here. Okay, interview question. Explain difference between in and between operator in SQL. Okay, that can be an intro question here. I hope you can understand a difference between an in and a between operator. You can see in operator is showing distinct values because I wanted to display only data for 900 department, 902 department, 903 department. So I can use here in operator and I can mention their department IDs only for data for those department IDs. If I know the boundaries conditions over there, I can write like this between operator here 10 to 15 all inclusive over there. So it is a sequential data will be coming here from 10 to 15. Any question up to this point? Nothing over here. We can use a, okay, use and use of and or and not clause. Okay. So what I will do, I will write a question here. Question will be like this. Question, write SQL query, okay, to display employee records only for Pune location with, okay, date of birth earlier than 1995. Okay, like this. Now you can use this. You can write a question like this. Employee address will be Pune. Okay, I will use everything like this. Okay, so Pune location is good, but I have to write here and clause because I want one more condition here. And date of birth, okay, less than, okay, 1995 0101. So what will happen now? All date of birth less than 1995 and address Pune will be displayed here. So now if you want to apply multiple condition along with each other, what we will do, you can see here all conditions are satisfying both of the conditions here. All records are satisfying displaying with both condition satisfaction. First condition is employee address should be Pune and next in date of birth it should be less than 1995. Okay. So sometimes we can get your OR clause also. I'll give one of the example of OR clause. Right, it's a quick query to display employee records. Okay, from 900 department. Okay, 900. Okay, department ID or Pune location. Means in this case you have to have two different conditions, but they are not compulsory. Both conditions not compulsory. We need either one of them to be satisfied. Means either the location should be Pune or the department should be 900. So what I will do, I will write condition as it is here, write OR clause, and I will write here DPID equal to 9000. Can write like this. Okay, so all these are the Pune location, all these are the 900 also all there. And apart from 900 also are present, but they are from Pune location. So either one of them is satisfying, then it's okay. Any questions? Please let me know. I hope you understood and OR clause. Now we will see the example of a not clause. Okay. So what I can do, write one more example query. Write a query to display employee records not from 900 DPID and 900 2 DPID. Means either one of them are not possible. So 901, 900 and 902, except these two values, all other values are accepted. So what I will do, I can write question like this. Here location I don't have to mention. I have to mention like employee ID or DPID in 900 and 9002. But I don't want these two values. So what I will do, I will write here not in. Instead of in, what I will do, I will write here not. So any condition, if you write here not, then it will be a reverse of that. So except these two values, all values will be displayed here. 901 is there, 3 is there, 1 is there, 4 is there, but except this, all values are there. Okay. Any question till this point we discussed about today? And clause, equal to clause. We'll see not equal to clause also. That's possible. Suppose I want to write like this. Okay. Not from 9002. Then what will happen? You can write like this. DPID not equal to, okay, 9002. Or same condition you can write like this also. Instead of this, what I can do? We can write like this. Not equal to. Both of them are correct. This also okay. This also okay. This is also correct. 11 records, 11 records. Same record will be displayed here. Okay. Any question till this point? Okay, I will write anything else. We discussed about between operator. We discussed about equal to, not equal to, greater than, not in, and, or, between. We discussed about order by clause. Okay, last thing we will discuss about the top clause. Okay, so we will see top clause. Okay, the question will be like this. Write a cyclic query to display any 5 employee records or records from employee table. Okay, so what I can do, select star from employee. Okay, and I want any 5 records. What I will do, I will write here top 5 star. So and see it will show you any 5 records. If I want particular record there, then I can write an order by clause also, like here. Okay, highest employee ID. Okay, write SQL query to display 5 record from employee table with a highest employee ID. So what I have to do, I just have to add here order by EMP ID and descending, so that highest record will be at the beginning. You can see 15, 14, 13, yep, will even like this. Okay. So maybe interpretation will ask you like this. Okay. Write a SQL query to display mm, okay, records from employee table with highest salary. Okay, in our table, salary column is not there, but if we add, then also it's okay. We can write like this. Okay, highest salary. How can we use? I will write like this. Select, make a copy of this table so that we can prepare. Add one more column here into employee one. Okay, so that employee one table will be created automatically. Now I will add one more column here in employee one. Okay, I will add here column alter table employee one add column salary integer. Okay, then I will add a column value there, because if I add only column, it will be blank, it will have null values. So what I have to do, I have to update these values over there. So I will use update statement. Update employee one. Okay, set salary equal to something like 5,000 basic salary plus EMPID multiplied by something, some formula I want to add here. Okay, 1,000, something like this. So I'll add the formula so that everybody will get different values. Okay, let's see what happens. Yes, we can see here all data is filled up here. Okay, then what we can do, we can hire salary if we want. What you guys have to do, you have to use here select start from employee one and order by salary descending, and I will here top one to get top highest salary record. Can see this is a Tejas is having a highest salary of 20,000. You can verify here. Can see Tejas is having a highest record here. Okay, any question till this point? If no questions, we can stop here for today. We'll continue tomorrow on the remaining topics. Please complete 5 examples of each of the clauses whatever discussed today and send me as a homework. Thank you. Bye bye.